Files and folders are two useful tools in Moodle that you may see in a course. An instructor may have used the file resource to upload items such as Word documents, PowerPoints, PDFs, audio files, or other saved files from their computer. A folder is just a resource that holds onto multiple files. In this video, I will show you what these files and folders may look like in Moodle and how to access them. To begin, file resources can be identified by the blue icon that looks like a piece of paper with a file extension like PDF, DOC, or PPT. Depending on the settings an instructor checked when setting up the file, it may open in a new window or force a download. Items like video, audio, or PDFs often open in a new window, while Word documents or PowerPoints tend to force a download. If the file downloads, you'll need to open it through your browser's download list or your computer's download folder. Folders in Moodle can contain multiple files of varying types. In this example, a folder is provided that contains worksheets. Folders could also be used to contain important paperwork related to your program or documents related to a course project. When I open the folder, instructions are provided at the top, though this isn't always filled in. Either way, there should be some files here that I can click on to download. Again, an instructor can choose how these files open, so some may open in a new window, while others will force a download. I also have the option to download the entire folder. Clicking this will place a zip folder in my downloads, which contains all of the folder's files. If you have any questions regarding files and folders, it is best to contact your instructor or reach out to the help desk for more information.